Welcome back, Trojan on Solana fans. Today, let's talk SolScan. Maybe you've heard this in the help room. Check your wallet on SolScan. Sounds useful, but maybe you've wondered, how do I actually do that? Well, this one's for you. First off, what is it? SolScan is a blockchain explorer for Solana. It's the public ledger. Every wallet's activity on display. Buys, sells, transfers, everything. Every move on Solana logged right here. So how do you use it? Let's focus on checking your own wallet. Head to solscan.io. Grab your public wallet address from Trojan. It's right there on the main menu. This address is safe to share. Quick reminder, never share your private key. Now, we're back on SolScan. Paste the address into the search bar. You'll see it pop up. Click it. Now you're on your wallet's transactions page. Here you'll see Sol and token balances. Use the drop-down to check all tokens. If you're missing a token in Trojan but see it here, you probably just hid it from your position screen. Okay, let's walk through a few key tabs. Transactions, your wallet's play-by-play. Swaps, transfers, even failed trades. Each entry has a TXID, like a bookmark. And heads up, ignore spam tokens with emojis or names like casino. Annoying to see, but harmless. Transfers. Here you have direct transfers with clear filters. When, where, what. DeFi activities. These are your trades with details on amounts and platforms. Balance changes. Here you will see your Sol and token balance changes. Most people come here first because, let's face it, it's all about the balance. Usually, these last three tabs are the fastest way to find a specific trade without wading through spam. Personally, I like balance changes. Just spot the token you're curious about and follow the ledger. So that's the basics of the basics, but let's go a little deeper. Click into a transaction by clicking the transaction ID. Now you're going to see a lot more information. First, the TXID, or here called the signature, the block, and the timestamp. You'll also see the actions themselves. View them in summary mode for a quick glance or legacy mode for every detail. Legacy is going to show interactions with pools and custom programs, particularly handy if you're tracing a copy trading issue. At the top, you'll notice a few things. You start in Overview, but there's also Sol balance change and token balance change. Much like they say, the tabs will show exactly what came in and what went out. SolScan can be intimidating, and that's okay. It'll look overwhelming, but it can be really useful. Take it slow. Read the labels. Click around. Before long, you'll start to recognize patterns, like, oh, this 0.002 charge? That's token rent. With time, it starts making sense, and it can be surprisingly satisfying. And remember, we just dipped our toes in. SolScan offers docs, tutorials, token analysis, DeFi data, even smart contract auditing. It's a whole world if you want to explore deeper. Our support chat is always open.